Welcome back, folks. Today's a little bit different. I've got a few new toys I want to unbox, and this is more of a full setup upgrade than just picking up one or two bits. I've been wanting to upgrade a few things in the kitchen for a while, not just for filming, but for everyday cooking as well. Because once you're cooking regularly, you start noticing little things. What works, what slows you down, what just makes life easier. So this is about building a setup that works properly for me. This is the 4-piece Bistecca plate set. They're made from acacia wood. They're really good size as well, around 33 by 28 centimeters, so you've got loads of space to plate properly. One of the key features here is the groove running around the edge, because if you've ever cut into a steak on a flat plate, you already know what happens. Juices just go everywhere. This keeps everything contained, which makes a massive difference. And visually as well, when you plate on something like this, it just looks better straight away. Feels a bit more intentional. These are perfect for steak nights, barbecues, even sharing boards if you've got people over. Because it's wood, it's much kinder on your knives as well. Simple idea, but done properly. Right, this is the big one. The hybrid roasting pan set. Now you're getting 3 different trays and a rack. A small, medium and a large pan. Size wise, the small is around 25 by 18 by 6 centimeters. The medium, slightly larger, 33 by 23 by 7 centimeters. The large one comes in at roughly 35 by 25 by 8 centimeters. So you've got a proper range depending on what you're cooking. This is actually where it gets interesting. I've grabbed my existing largest roasting pan here just to compare. You can see side by side, this one I've been using is quite a bit bigger overall, especially in width and length. But what you're getting with this is flexibility. Not every cook needs a massive tray like that. Sometimes you're just doing something midweek. Smaller tray, less space. It's quicker to heat up, easier to handle. Then when you're doing a full roast, you've got the larger one ready to go. So instead of one big pan trying to do everything, you've got options. And the rack is a big part of this as well. Because lifting that meat up off the base means you're getting airflow all the way around it. Better texture, more even cooking. You're not just roasting from underneath, you're roasting properly. And And with that hybrid surface, you've got that mix of durability and non-stick, so you can get a proper roast on things, but without everything sticking solid. This is definitely the piece I'm going to be using the most, I think. Sunday roasts, tray bakes, batch cooking, it's all covered. Okay, this one's not so much of an upgrade, but I just wanted one. It's the grilling hat. Nice and simple. Classic curved peak, adjustable at the back, lightweight. More about the vibe really. Barbecue days, cooking outside, filming in the sun, just finishes it off. This is the Eco Modern Apron in Onyx. Straight away, you can tell it feels premium. It's made from recycled plastic bottles, which is crazy when you think about it. It's actually quite thick, really durable. It's got that water resistant finish as well, so if you're cooking with oils and sauces, anything messy, It's not just soaking straight through it. Fit wise, you've got a fully adjustable neck strap, long waist ties, ideal for me, and reinforced stitching throughout. It just feels like it's built to last. You've also got multiple pockets on the front and a towel loop on the side, which is actually useful when you're mid-cook. This is one of those things that people overlook a bit, but when you're cooking properly, especially with messy ingredients, having something like this just keeps everything under control. You're not constantly stopping to wipe your hands or worrying about your clothes. You just get on with it. The kitchen utensil set. I was a bit uncertain about ordering this due to its price, but I'm glad I did, because this is where things step up. This is the 9-piece utensil set, and straight away you can feel the difference. Everything's got a nice weight to it, solid handles, consistent feel across the whole set. You've got a turner, spoon, ladle, pasta server, spatula, whisk, a fish spatula, a wok spoon, and then the ceramic holder to keep them all in. So you've basically got your full day-to-day cooking setup sorted. One thing though, I wish it came with some tongs. Everything's made from high-grade stainless steel with heat-resistant silicone heads, rated up to around 230 degrees Celsius. So you're covered for pretty much anything you're doing in the kitchen. And they're dishwasher safe as well, although I like to wash things by hand. It's just another part of the cooking process that I enjoy doing. The biggest thing for me is just having everything in one place, because when you've got mismatched tools, you end up working around them. With something like this, everything just works the way you expect it to. You grab it, use it, done. It just removes that little bit of friction from cooking. Prep, cooking, serving, presentation, and a bit of outdoor cooking as well. Everything here has a purpose, and more importantly, it's stuff I'll actually use in real cooking, not just for show. I'm already thinking ahead with this. There's a few recipes I've got in mind that are going to work really well with this setup, especially the roasting pans and those steak boards. they're going to feature a lot. Let me know what you want to see. Proper steak night, big Sunday roast, or something quick midweek using the new kit. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, do me a favour, hit that like button, drop a comment below, share it with someone who might like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future.